Daddy's treasure.
It's getting late, but the lights are still on in Chiro's house.
These certainly bring back some memories.
They're very precious.
We'd better lock them away safely.
Cock-a-doodle-doo!
Hello, Dad. Good morning.
Good morning, Dada.
Hello, have a nice sleep.
Yes.
Chiro, Chico and Jess have spent the night thinking about the box.
You three.
Huh? Yes.
Go up and get washed before breakfast.
Okay.
How can Chiro find out what's inside that box?
Chiro, we're off to do a bit of shopping.
So you three be good and don't get into trouble.
Bye. We won't.
Bye.
This is the chance they've been waiting for.
Right. What do you think's inside it?
Let's see. Perhaps it's full of the best toys in the world.
Oh, maybe it's nice things to eat.
Or perhaps it's a beautiful crown covered in jewels. Yeah,
Let's find It's too high up. Got it!
A corner of the box breaks off.
What should we do? We might as well open it now.
Okay. It's locked. Can't see anything.
Here,
What?
try opening it with this.
But the box stays firmly locked. Then Chess hears something outside.
It's Mum and Dad!
What?
Quick!
Hurry up! Hurry up! Quick, move!
Hello?
You're back quick.
Yes, the shopping didn't take long.
Now then. As you're all here, I've got something to show you. Something very special. Here we are. Very precious.
What's that?
These are the eggshells you hatched from. Every time I look at these, I remember what you were like when you were tiny. You've certainly changed.
But we're still very good.
Huh? Who broke this? Good indeed. Come back here.
The naughty chicks race off into the garden, but they know Dad won't stay cross for long.